The word gender equality in our present society exists only in name. We also want to live in an egalitarian society with equal and practical perspective on life. Let us remove the common thought that women cannot ache. Every woman have their own powerful voice. They are also capable of making their own path. Though money is considered to be the strength, without women there will be no development and peace in society. On this International Women's Day, let us face with strong determination the fear, the discouragement and the discrimination in life. Happy International Women's Day!